What's up everyone, Josh Quinones here, and today we're going to be taking a look at some cases here for the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. These are also compatible with the original Galaxy Buds as well, and huge thanks to our friends over at Ringke for sending these out to go ahead and take a look at on the channel. I got 5 different cases here, all going for $10 each, so a really good price. I got navy blue, a honey mustard yellow, white, black, and pink. So let's go ahead and take a look. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and make our way from left to right, looking at all the colors that we have here, starting with my favorite out of the bunch, the navy blue color. I think it just looks really nice. Of course, we got some Ringke branding up top, and all the cases are going to be very soft to the touch, feeling very good in the hands, and they are all also 2-piece cases. As you can see here, they do come apart, and then on the inside, we have these stickies, which you are going to take off when you're ready to put these on the charging case of the Galaxy Buds Plus or the regular Galaxy Buds, because they are compatible with the original Galaxy Buds as well. But you're gonna go ahead and take these off once you're ready to put them on, and they are going to help these cases stay on nice and secure so they are not falling off. But let's go ahead and try them on without taking these off. I don't want to permanently put it on just yet until the end of the video so we can be able to take a look at all the colors here. But with this bottom part, it's pretty much going to stay on there nice and secure, stays on nice and tight. As you can see there, it doesn't really come off, so it's really going to be up to you on whether or not you want to take that sticky part off on the inside or not. So looking at this cutout right here, a nice precise cutout for the LED light. And then of course we have a cutout, a little hole right here, so you can be able to put some type of clip or lanyard, so you don't have to really worry about losing your earbuds, or maybe you can clip it to a backpack or anything like that. Then going to the back, we got a nice precise cutout for the charging port as well. Now there's going to be a bit of a gap here on the bottom. If I take this top piece, put it on here, you can see that there is a gap, but that is for a reason. So the top isn't fighting with the bottom once you open this case up. As you can see there, opens up nice and easy. So they did a pretty good job with that cutout. Now the top one isn't going to stay secure on here unless you take off that sticky on the inside. Like I mentioned earlier, I'll wait till the end of the video to do that with this specific case. But to get this top one on just right, there is a lip right here in the front, and you're basically going to put that into the lip of the Galaxy Buds case itself, or Galaxy Buds Plus case. As you can see, it fits right in there, and that's what's going to allow you to open up the case nice and easy. But I really like this navy blue color, looking really nice there. So let's go ahead and take a look at the next color. So next up we have the honey mustard yellow, and honestly it's not a super bright honey mustard yellow type of color. It's more of like a flat matte finish, I guess you would say, like a flat honey mustard. But honestly, I don't think it looks too bad, especially with the white earbuds case. I actually think it makes a good color combo. And then going to the back as well, I think it looks pretty good. And then of course, if you have the black colored earbuds, I think it'll make an even cooler combo. I think it would look really good. Now, if you happen to have the blue earbuds on hand, that might not match with this case. But as far as the white earbuds and the black Galaxy Buds Plus go, I think it's going to make a very good color combo. So this is the honey mustard. All right, so this next one, I'm pretty sure we don't have to really take a look at this, but I'll show you guys anyways. For those of you who have the black Galaxy Buds Plus or the blue ones, maybe you'll want to change it up every once in a while and give yourself a white case. Well, we do have a white case right here. As you can see, it comes off. Still got my white Galaxy Buds Plus right there. But yes, if you want to change up your color every once in a while, like I said, if you have the black Galaxy Buds or the blue Galaxy Buds, this might make a cool color combo with that as well, because it's still going to show that charging case through the back right here and then through these creases on the side and the front. So it might look pretty cool. Who knows? You won't know unless you try it out for yourself, but this is the white case. So last but not least, we have the pink case, which I'm sure a lot of the ladies are going to love this color combo we got going on here. We got the whole outer lining of the pink case itself, and then the whole white of the inner charging case, which just makes a really cool combo when you put them together. And then when you close the case up, you still get that white charging case seeping out, making it look really nice. And then of course in the back, when you open it up, boom, looks really nice as well. Precise cutouts for the charging port and for the LED light as well. But this is the pink case, looking really nice, feeling really nice as well. And it is definitely, just like all the other cases here, are definitely going to protect your Galaxy Buds Plus or Galaxy Buds if you do happen to drop them with this case on. That way you don't get your original charging case all scruffed up. So all these cases are definitely going to do a great job at not only looking good, but also protecting your Galaxy Buds or Galaxy Buds Plus. All right, so the last thing I want to do is go ahead and permanently put one of these on. So like I said earlier, I'm going to go ahead and use the navy blue one that we have here. Let me go ahead and take this bottom sticky off. You just peel it off just like that, boom. Then you can see you got some adhesive down there, and make sure you put this on the right way. You don't want to put it on backwards by accident, because at first, before shooting this video, I was putting them on backwards as you see there, but no, you got to make sure they go like this. That way this cutout goes precisely over the LED light. So I got that adhesive showing. Let's go ahead and just slide this right in. Boom, fits in nice and good. You just kind of want to hold it for a couple of seconds. Make sure it sticks on really good. There we go. So that is definitely not coming off. And then next we got to take the sticky off of the top piece here. So let's go ahead and do that. Let me go ahead and pull this off. Boom. Okay, so the way you want to do this, you don't want to put it on there crooked or anything like that. So I suggest fitting it into the lip right here first, and then just kind of pushing back on it like that, and then just hold it down at the top for a couple of seconds to make sure it stays on there. There we go, nice and secure so it won't fall off. And let's see, nope, it's on there really good, not going to fall off. Look at that, looks really good. I really like this whole color combo, the white earbuds with the navy blue case. I think it looks really, really nice, really cool. And yeah, so there it is. This is how they are going to fit once you get them on there with the adhesive. You take the stickies off. Look at that. It makes it a lot easier to open the case, because this is kind of sticking out. So it's easier to just push it up like that. Makes it very easy to open up your case. And then all of them come with this little clip as well. So if you want to throw that on there, let's see if I can get it on there. Boom, if you want to get it on there, like I said, you can hang it from your purse, your backpack, anywhere you want to put these, or maybe even a pocket or anything like that on your pants. It can definitely come in handy. But yes, these are the Galaxy Buds Plus cases, or even for your regular Galaxy Buds. Like I said, they are compatible as well. As you can see, they're going to fit on there just the same. From Ringke, going for $10 on Amazon. If you find yourself interested, I'll make sure to throw some links down in the description below, so you can go ahead and check some of these out for yourself. But y'all let me know what you think of all these cases that you see here, all the different colors and the different color combos that I talked about. If you have a pair of Galaxy Buds Plus for yourself, which case can you see yourself getting? Let me know down in the comment sections below. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. But for now, this is Josh Quinones. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.